Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today we're going to announce the winner of the Crochet Season giveaway. Woo. Let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. If you're not as new to my channel and you've been with me for a bit or even just a minute, I am so glad that you're with me. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you, which is why I had this giveaway. A lot of you guys mentioned that you really love the cup, and I love the cup too. I actually have one here. I'm not drinking out of it today. I'm drinking out of Teenage Daughter Survivor, which I'm not really yet because she's still a teenager and I haven't quite survived it yet, but we'll see. We'll see. It's going okay right now. A little hard with her being, you know, at home doing virtual school, but we're gonna make it. I promise you. Anyway, my point is, you guys like, a lot of you guys like that mug, and it's actually one that I have available both on my Teespring shop as well as on Etsy. So I'm gonna link it in a few ways down below. So I have a couple different versions, that same saying, in different couple of looks. So I'll have them linked down below. I just wanted to let you know that if you really like the cup, it is available for you to purchase if you would like. So I know you're super excited to find out who won this prize package, but first I want to go ahead and go over everything that I'm going to do in the next year on my channel. I'm just kidding. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do the drawing. So, like I did before, well, not last time because I messed up and didn't record anything, so hopefully I won't do that again. But over here, over my little dog killers, that's my little dog killer right there. So over in this area, probably covering his face, I'm gonna have a little screenshot of my phone running through the comment picker, so you can see what's going on with me. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring up my phone, start recording my screen. Now I did go ahead and copy the link, so I don't need to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the comment picker, paste it there. Okay, I'm gonna filter duplicate users, and I'm gonna get my YouTube comments. So it's getting the comments now, which, you know, I had a lot of response. So there was, the amount of unique comments on that video was 88. That's amazing, you guys. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. So 88 comments. So now we need to get to pick who won. It's picking, as you can see over here. And oh my goodness, Veronica, you won! Steals the Show Crochet and Chefs won this giveaway. That's exciting, Veronica. So you just need to reach out to me, let me know how to send something to you, give me an address to send to, and I will be happy to do that. And you got 7 days to send that to me, because I do have a 7-day in the rules. Back on the other video, you do have 7 days, but you know what? I know that you'll get to me before that. So congratulations, Veronica. I'm so excited for you, and just let me know what you think of your prize winnings when you get them, but I will get that shipped to you. If not during this week, then most likely next weekend. I am waiting for a way for me to package. I have these big envelope thingies coming, kind of like, you know how you get your ice yarns, or how you get some of your yarns, they're in that like indestructible bag type thingy. Anyway, that is how I'm going to be sending it. I have some of those coming to me, and once I get those, I'll get it all packaged up and get it mailed out to you. So thank you again so much for joining me, you guys. This is not the last giveaway. I try to have at least one giveaway a month, if not two, and I also include on my channel things like yarn hauls, tutorials, and crochet product reviews. So if that all sounds great to you, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time that I post a new video. So until next time, you guys have a wonderful weekend and enjoy this. At least for me, I'm having some amazing fall weather here. It's nice and crisp and sunny and just amazing. So I hope that you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you later this week. Bye bye. and just yarn, lots and lots of yarn. So join me, and we'll make sure we make this the best channel ever. And that sounds freaking corny. I try to have at least one giveaway in a month, if not two. And totally forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I'm a little crooked. There we go.